Hey everyone, welcome back to another weekly forecast video. So today's we're gonna define the third week of February 2026, that where the price would go likely. So let's get started without wasting any time, and we would start with price action. So this time is really easy to predict because we have seen, and it's really literally showing its hands that what it's gonna do for the future. So let me just clean the chart so we can begin. This, and yeah, we are pretty much clear. So we took out the highs, right? I've said that a lot of times. So yeah, we took out the highs. This is a breakout structure. We retrace into the discount. Have on this high or breaker this, right? And this FVG. We did an internal market structure shift, another, right? We retrace back into the fair value gap to rebalance the price. But if you draw a quadrant in it, right? So you would see it to be respected, right? So I've taken out the previous day, which is a Thursday low on Friday. So probably we are about to take out this equal highs and continue towards the buy side, right? Well, if I use the COT, which is not really into that direction, and even if we talk about the seasonal tendency, that's also in consolidation, right? And if you talk about, okay, we will talk about the CRB later on it on the video. So yeah, it's not really supporting the idea of it, but price is literally showing us that it really needs to go that direction, right? If you go on weekly time frame for an more structure direction, then yeah, let me move it. So pretty much we tap on this breaker. I saw you guys on daily time frame as well. So from here we actually went bullish and tapped this big week as well, but let me put that quadrant on it, and it's actually below it, the closing, below the lowest quadrant, right? So on a weekly time frame it shows bearish, so most likely we gonna take out at least the sweet spot, or like you can say the easy target, that would be this high, that would be this size. If you go on 4 hour time frame, or uh yeah, I have already saved that on DC. You guys can check out that. Yeah. So this was 1 hour. I wanted to take this out low and target the highs. The same thing on 1 hour. Already took out the lows, right? That was the low I was targeting. And we sweep it. We dumped one more time, but did not sweep this low, and did a CISD, we can say. And now from here we are targeting this and this as well. So this is gonna be our next week target, right? So yeah, that's the view for euro dollar, right? Maybe we can deliver to the Monday and we can reverse for it, or anything could happen. But I think we have a, yeah, bank holiday on the Monday, so maybe if things price action seems really good, then we will definitely trade that. If not, then we won't, right? So we have to wait for the Monday as well. We have don't have big news on the Tuesday. Wednesday, yeah, Wednesday we can have a move. Yeah, Wednesday, Thursday. Oh my God, Friday is killer. All right, so let's get back to the daily time frame as first, right? So this is what the target is for the next week. Maybe we can reverse from there. So that is the easy target that I'm gonna be targeting for the next week. We're actually bullish until it turns out into bearish. So that's what I'm thinking, and we really don't have any fundamental supportive objective. And let's talk about other things, like we have a T notes for that. If we see that, yeah. So T notes have taken out the lows and it actually broke up structure from there. So now it's likely take out the highs and going for buy side. So T notes is actually inverse from the dollar index. So it means that um, T note and euro dollar goes in the same direction. So the T note is bullish, so definitely euro dollars will be bullish as well. So that's the one thing it supports. We don't have anything else to support it, but I think that's enough. We have seen respected to that bullish fair value gap with the quadrant, and Taylor supports it, and currently market structure is in the buy side, so yeah, that makes sense to go for that. And if you talk about dollar index a little bit, then it's actually in a very like confusing situation. If we look at this quadrant of this weekly candle week, then it's really expecting it, right? But on the other end, we slow. All right, on the other end, if we look at this weekly opening gap, then it's expecting as well. If we put the quadrant on this FVG, then it's expecting as well. So yeah, most likely it's bearish dollar index. We would hold that idea for the next week and we would look for if anything changes, right? That would be the most easiest thing to do. And if we go on GBPUSD, let me just share the idea that, yeah, we already swept the low of these candles, and I think we would have an SMT. Like I would not see look for and sweep for the previous day, like Friday low, and go for buy side. I would not expect that because GBP is much stronger. So, but if we go on euro dollar, why is it that slow, bro? What? Oh, I think I'm connected with the other devices. All right. So possibly we can dip one more time. That can happen. I'm not saying that it would definitely happen, but that can happen. And then we shift the structure for the buy side, right? So this would be the possibility for euro dollar and GBP dollar, and I think that's all we have to do, and that's it. Monday I might not be trading. Only if I see the price action is really good, I would be interested. All right, till then, stay safe and take care.